Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to activate text box in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document. I am already opened my document. Now I am activate text box in InDesign. So, firstly, you can enable activate text box very way. Now I am firstly see first way. Now here are the type tool. Click the type tool and drag this on this slide. Now the text box is activate firstly, play then press T on your keyboard and drag and place the text box. Now click right on your keyboard and click fill with placeholder text. Now select the text box and click right on your text mouse and click fill with the placeholder text. Now here are our two text box are activate. Now you can see activate text box in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.